Hello, friends. In this session, I'm going to discuss about the business processes which needs to be considered when you want to move to digital supply chain. As we discussed broadly, the digital supply chain has got two areas. One is on the distribution side, it's connecting with the customers. And another side is connecting with suppliers and production. So in this session, I'm going to discuss more on to operations management. That means procurement and manufacturing. So let's move to my next screen. As we know, we have to satisfy the customer's expectation, customer's requirement. We have some market requirement, forecasting and all that. Based on to that, to support to that, we work it out sales and operation plan. So it's a short-term, long-term plan that what we need to manufacture. And for that manufacturing, what is the material requirement? We have to really look at it, what different materials or support services are required, both on a short term and a long term, basically, to support to our sales and operation plan. So this is a supply planning process, right? This gets initiated from supplier selection. You have to identify those parties who are capable of delivering the material in time, in quality, at a expected material rates, and then you discuss, negotiate with them, and then you select the suppliers. Second factor is your manufacturing capacity. You may have your own manufacturing plant, you may also use some other services also, or you may outsource some product manufacturing and all. And the third one is you require the resources. When I say resources is two areas. Resources is one is your people, manpower, because these are the people who are going to drive the entire process, whether it's a procurement, whether it's a manufacturing, whether it's a quality testing, whether it's a packaging. So you have to work out those resources and then resource allocation. So when I mention it, supply planning, these are the key areas or the factors which you have to really take it into consideration. This have to do the inventory optimization, because you know your finances are getting blocked up into all these processes. Objective of digital supply chain is to give a visibility of the materials in process, finished product across the digital supply chain, so that you optimize the inventory. Inventory goes on moving very fast. There are no stoppages, no hold on. And that is where you improve your plant performance and supply chain efficiency. Now our focus is now in a quality management. Quality management is becoming very important, not just into regulatory industry, but also in every industry. Whether you take an automobile, you take a textile, everywhere now companies are moving to like ISO 9000 and all. The efficiency of what your product and then their delivery and customer expectations and all is depending upon the quality of the product or the quality of the services which you are offering it. Another thing, important thing you must remember, that quality is not just a chance. It's basically you have to draw your process, draw your system in such a way that quality is built up into a culture, into your product, into your materials, into your services, into your manufacturing, which is very important. And the documentation required is also very important thing. The traceability of your product is very important thing. So you have to give importance to the quality. Once you are assured about the material procured and it is as per the quality requirements and all, then we go to the next step of a manufacturing. So you have a production processes where you use the machines, and then the machines are also to be maintained at a optimum level to deliver you the good quality products at a good quantities as per the standards and all that, and for which you use a different technologies which are now coming up, like cloud, industrial internet of things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, which go on capturing the data at a manufacturing execution systems, and this data is further analyzed to guide you, to help you to take a necessary corrective decisions and all that. Importance of maintenance is also coming up, because if you maintain the good equipment, they will deliver you the good products at a quality standards. In a industry, the control of the processes is also very important, because the processes at the right time plays a crucial role. Process parameters are also to be maintained. So then the last one is, once you have manufactured that particular product, you manufactured a continuous monitoring of the parameters that needs to get connected to the orders which you are going to deliver it to the customer. Different customers require different products at a different standards. So your product manufactured for a specific customer needs to get connected. Your sales and order planning system, which will do this batch connections and all that, and you have to pack that particular product and then hand it over to the distribution and all. So continuous monitoring of this, starting from the receipt of the material with the quality, with the production, going to the customer, and improving that optimization. That means the product should really move in a very fast way, without any delays, without any destruction at any stage, is very important thing. And integrating that with your sales and distribution system plays a crucial role. So I'm had an idea about discussing this as an overview about how the supply and the production is going to get integrated into this particular system, which will move to digital supply chain. Hope you have a fairly good idea about this concept. If you want to know more, feel free to contact us. We will help you to discuss about your problems and suggest you the solution, how you can optimize these processes for a digitization and all that. Feel free to share your contacts details. If you have any points to be discussed, my contact details are also over here. Thank you. Bye.